Good morning, guys. Why is this staying like this? This is strange. Oh my days, why is this staying like this? Oh, okay, now should be any better. Yes, now should be much better. Do you hear the mic good? Right. So guys, we're gonna start with what we usually do. We're gonna mark our key areas. That was a mistake. We got some great trades yesterday, sorry. I'm gonna show you something from yesterday. Now Nasdaq is in very interesting situation because we're moving down, but we already swept the previous day low. So good morning, hello. So this will be very interesting how it's gonna react after we swept the lows. Let's see the Asian highs and lows. That's it. And we're gonna mark this candle highs and lows as well on 1 hour as a liquidity. And our chart's gonna look like this. Beautiful. Okay, beautiful. Let's do the same with gold. Take a look at the daily. We are inside the range of the previous day. Right? In 5 minutes. Where is the Asian highs and lows? There we go. This is our high. High. And this is the Asian low. I'm gonna mark the previous 1 hour as well. Liquidity targets. And all we need to answer now is where this 1 hour candle gonna close. Simply looking the 1 hour chart. Yeah, this 1 hour, you see how it came up? This one is confusing. Right, so we swept some liquidity here. We need to be really careful. We swept plenty of liquidity from here and from here. Let me check if Nasdaq did the same as, yes, we have the same swept, right. So I told you I'm gonna show you something interesting from yesterday. Now here is the Asian highs. Right, this is the Asian highs. So we have major liquidity swept, down move, boss. This is boss, fair value gap inside, and look at this move. Look at this move. This is textbook unicorn model. You don't want to see how much it made in total. Yeah. Yeah, 30 R. Not bad, isn't it? Okay, let's concentrate on what we have now. Nasdaq. Nasdaq, I want to see it go higher, to be honest, on 1 minute. With this liquidity target up here. Yeah, gold is going down with very big candles, which I don't like at all. Very big candles here. This is the fourth. There's one more candle. One more candle to go. Right, this is the fifth one now. Now what happened? We took the previous hour low here. We took liquidity from here. We turn around and we're going for the next hour high. Right, this is one hour high. But we don't have everything. Red. This is 1 hour highs and lows. So this setup looks pretty nice. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wait a minute, cowboy. So if we enter, let's say somewhere around here, and we put our stop loss down here, we have beautiful 1 hour to the top, which is all right. But let's see a candle closure. Now we need to be careful with this fair value gap. We want to see the candle to close above. If you want to be really conservative, we can put our stop loss under this fair value gap. Right here. But first, I want to see closing above this fair value gap. And maybe we're gonna put the stop loss under this fair value gap. Hey, Mr. Wolf. Big candles for gold this morning. 3 pips, 4.5. That's a big move. Soon your DR window it's closed, my friend. Okay, we can't close over this fair value gap, so we don't touch this trade. Beautiful. We are just 8 minutes into this candle. Just 8 minutes. This is all we need to predict. Where this candle gonna close? Up here or down here? This is the two targets. Yeah, you try to fool us, don't you? Yeah, Nasdaq tried its best. Closing above the orb. Yeah, it tried its best to trick us here. Fake out. If this is the real breakout. Previous day low. Right? Yeah, we might try this one. Yeah, we might try this one. Previous day low, it's already taken, but Asian lows are in play. So this is our target. If it close below, the stop loss will be over this fair value gap here. With the Asian lows the target. Just if it close. Okay. Gold is closing below as well, but Asian lows are very, very, very close. Interesting, guys. It looks like interesting day today. We're playing mouse and cat here with Nasdaq. Let's see who's gonna cry in the end of the day. We wanna take this liquidity and we're gonna take this one. So we're gonna wait a couple more minutes. Again, I'm not interested in gold at all. I'm just gonna check for wolf. What's going on? Yeah, it's the same range, give or take. I'm in the opposite side. I don't like gold. I don't like how gold it looks. I'll prefer longs on Nasdaq, to be honest. Just up to here. I don't like gold too, exactly, yeah, yeah. I would stay away from gold. Whoa, with this candle especially. NAS looks better for long, I agree, exactly. Look at this candle. Gonna swipe everything. Okay, we keep some structure here. Inverted fair value gap, it does his work. Let's see the second try. Option 1 is going for the Asian lows with stop over this fair value gap. And option 2, if it breaks this fair value gap, going for longs. Stop loss under the orb for 1 hour liquidity or even better Asian highs. This is the two options we have. We just need to get out from this range so we can take a decision. Both sides, the fair value gaps, and this is even B fair value gap with inverted gap in the same place. So yeah, we're squeezed now. We're squeezed between those two. Let me see gold. Wow. Right. We might have something interesting on the 5-minute though, because this is the range now. It's a big one. In general, I stopped looking the 1-minute chart on gold. Start from there. We're focusing on 5-minute. So we swept major liquidity, we swept the previous hour low. I don't know if you enter on sales here, because on the 10-minute orb, I think this is a sell signal. I'm not sure. Yes, it looks like. But again, I wouldn't enter, mate. We just swept the Asian lows. So with gold, what I want to see, this fair value gap. And going longs from here. But this liquidity is a problem. So it's tricky today. Gold is tricky today. On Nasdaq is more interesting once we break from somewhere. I think there's our trade. And I have a feeling we're gonna break below. Look at this 1 hour candle. Can take a decision. But eventually it will. It will go for the highs or for the lows. So okay. Mr. Wolf, out of interest, did you enter here after this 10 minutes or breakout? Yes, wow, you're very, very brave man. In my opinion, it could be a mistake because there was this liquidity from the Asian lows. There was this liquidity down here as well from the last hour lows. So we see how fast it came back and it left a big wick behind it. I know, but I have to follow the plan. Right. Again, if your backtest shows good results every time you enter, follow the plan, my friend. Follow the plan, my friend. That's it. I can't agree more with you. Either you do it or you don't do it. There is no middle ground. You're right. Okay. Go down, goat. Let's see what target we have. We have previous day low as a target. So we can see this candle. It started from here with the day open. It made a good wick up. This is a good sign for a red candle. It made a good wick up and then all the way down. Now this can be a normal retrace before even going down to the previous day low. So it doesn't look that bad. This is the main stop I see right here. This is the main support level for the price. So if we break under it, you'll be goat on goat. Longs on gold or on Nasdaq? Oh, Nasdaq probably you mean. Yeah, this might be our chance now. Let me just see how it looks. Can we fight for 1 hour? Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Right. Okay, let's try this one. I mean, where are these highs? Right here. Okay, this is how it looks. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see. Last time when it breaks, it took just 1, 2, 3 candles. With the fourth one, it took us out. I'm gonna throw this one here. There we go. Stop loss under the orb. TP on this highs here. 1.17, not bad. Let's mark the orb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the orb. And this is the inverted fair value gap. Right, and this is the where is the text with this thing? Should be here. Input. What? Line, color, text. Where can I put the text? Oh, it doesn't matter. Let's see where is 0.5 on this trade. Okay, it's right here. Right, let's see what's gonna happen. I have some high hopes. This is a good candle. It tapped the fair value gap, the inverted fair value gap, and keep going up. Now, the next one should be green, beautiful green. But only shoot. Let me just see where the Asian highs are. Right, they're up here. So this is 1 hour. First target. This is the maximum target. 1.5. Yeah, 1.5. These are our key zones. Right here we have fair value gap as well as the inverted one. I think it looks like we are in a good position, guys. All we need to see is good price action. Let's see where is our stops. This one here. We need to break above this one here. And we have to worry about later on for this one. But this is later on. Let me just see gold, how it moves. Okay, there is still hope for gold to go down. Come on, we want to see some momentum. This first candle after the entry, it's good. And after that, we'll get into the range. Let's see the volume profile. Right, I don't have the settings on this one. We're still in the range of the volume profile. Our stop loss is just under. Right, so we need to break this fair value gap to be out of the zone of interest. This one should enter. We should break this one. Everything looks good. Just this range we just entered. This is the only problem. Five candles literally doing the same thing. Up, down, up, down. I like how it taps this zone and just go back in really fast. But now we need to see some momentum. Come on. In two candles, we are closing this 5-minute candle and this 30-minute candle. So it'll be very important how we're gonna open the next 30. And we should be out of the trade in the next 30 minutes, definitely. We wanna see this 1 hour. To grab the highs, don't we? Guys, friendly reminder, if you can like the stream, this will help me massively. Okay. Okay. Thank you, guys. Let me just see gold. Gold is not moving. Right. Couple of seconds. We close this 5 minutes. We open a new 5-minute candle. I'm in with you. Good luck, my friend. Any moment, if we don't see the momentum, we could go out. I'm not afraid to do a wick down, but after that we want to see a reaction. I can't believe how we entered and we're in this range since we entered. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 candle. Staying in this little box here. 11 candles. Okay. Wakey wakey. Let's see gold. We grabbed those highs. There was this reaction and well, I don't see any reason why we can't go any higher. Let me see how UK 100 is doing. Right. DAX. DAX is going up. Video finished. Down, down. Right. Let me check for some SMT or something else dodgy here. Right, we collect the lows. We collect them lows. We collect the highs. And we have good targets up here. Gold just died. It just died. Same as Nasdaq, I guess. Right, this is the last chance. Okay. Come on, flip it. Flip it green. Okay. Let's see the next candle. Okay. This is something we want to see. Right, I'm gonna move my stop loss just below the body of this candle. If we go back into a range, I want to be out of this. Especially if this candle do it. Especially if this candle turn around black. Just like this. Under the body of the candle. Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm out of this one. Good idea, guys. Good idea. But this range, it's not serious. This is not serious. Like, come on. What is this? Really? What is this range? How many minutes? 15 minutes. Of course. Yeah, of course. Either way, we're almost 1.5. Okay, gold is still sleeping. Wolf, did you enter on something on Nasdaq? Let me see the 5 minute. 1, 2. So you must enter here with us, actually, maybe. Come on, go. There is a potential to go down. Yes, long. Very good. Yeah, this range just... I want to see a force when entering a breakout trade. I want to see force. I want to see volume. Otherwise, can go up and down all the time. So I'm out of this one. It will be very interesting to just monetize what's gonna happen. Just watch. It'll be very interesting. We have very interesting price action. Price action is saying up. We have liquidity grab. We have good support here. Plus the downside of the orb. We have target. We have everything despite the quality of the trade, of the volume. The quality of the volume. We had everything else. I don't know if it was the right decision to go out because I see the volume kicked in now. But this is how I felt it, so even if it goes green, it is what it is. Let's see gold. Okay, Wolf, there is chance for gold. This is your entry, so it's almost at the price. It comes down from the fair value gap. That's good. Yeah, we need to see breaking down from here. Very slow trade, my days. This is where we went out. And almost 0.5, just almost with this candle. So, not a big deal. Good targets. Good liquidity swept. 1 hour liquidity swept. Not bad at all. Fake out. Resistance. Support. Break. Yeah, everything is here. Despite the volume. Just out of interest, I wanna mark UK 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breakout below, breakout on the top. 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3. Huge volume, and it just make the breakout here. DAX, same. DAX is the German index. DAX is break even, running break even at the moment. Where is the yen? It should go down. Yen is ranging here. I have a lot of friends who are very happy how the yen is moving. Okay, yen is break even. Yeah, I think I made a good decision, guys. I think I made a good decision here. I think that was the right decision. Something else which is in our favor is that we start trending above the 50% of the VWAP. So this is something I didn't take a look, but this is another tick in our favor. Yeah, VWAP is with us. How is the VWAP on gold? Okay, it's in your favor here. It's in very, very decisive moment. We'll see what's gonna take. Please, $35. That's not a lot for a range here. It's just in the middle. It can't take a decision. And this range keep going forever. This is 21 minutes now, guys. 21 minutes. A barcode. This is a barcode. Let's see the DR. This is our last option to get into a trade. So the DR is very interesting. We have the price structure already. So this will help us massively. DR is, you always need to watch that 5 minutes. Now for the DR, what I see, we have good level of support here, right? With this fair value gap on 5 minutes. So from here, I see where's gonna be my stop loss, just below. For now, there's still 20 minutes. So this will be interesting to watch, how it's gonna... Okay. Whoa, good candle. Very good candle. This explodes. And back again. Yeah. Right. This, guys, this price action for me, it's nasty. So I'm gonna close the stream right here and hold my horses for the US session. So maybe I'll go live for the London for the New York session as well. I said the same yesterday and I didn't. Did we have trade yesterday? I think I had one, yes. Yeah. Let me check. Let me check yesterday. Yes, we had the Nasdaq. 238. 238 yesterday. 238. So probably I entered. Yeah, this is where we entered. 238 here. Stop loss here. Not bad. 1.67. I think I exit here on 0.71. You remember when it came back? And then it went down again. Yeah, this was the trade from yesterday. But I wasn't live. I wasn't live for this trade. Everything started from this unicorn model here, which I was devastated I miss. This huge move. Beautiful move, unicorn. This was my last target, but I didn't hold. It's 2R exactly. No, I didn't hold. I didn't hold because of the view up, to be honest. Look where we are. And here I decided to exit. Just exit. But yeah, it was beautiful trade. Yeah, I can't watch anymore this price action, really, guys. Goat is the same. I just can't keep doing this to myself. Okay, Wolf, guys, thank you to be with me again. I wish you good luck, Mr. Wolf, and I'll see you during the New York session, my friend. Good luck. Stay out of trouble.